factor of 396. So 396, it can be written as 2 times 198. 2 times 198 means 396. 198, it can be written as 2 times 99. 2 times 99 means 198. Now 99, it can be written as 3 times 33. 3 times 33 means 99. Now 33, it can be written as 3 times 11. 3 times 11 means 33. So now we select a prime numbers in all these numbers. So prime numbers here is 2, this 3, and at last 11. So we can write 396 is equal to product of all these prime numbers, that is 2 times this 2 times this 3 times this 3 times this 11. So this much for today, and thanks for watching.